Hey there, Randy and Matt. Amy here. I spoke to Jennifer the other day. She said I could send this video over to you guys. I'm a local business owner just like yourself and know that COVID shook a lot of businesses up. I'm going to show you what you can do to get a more predictable and steady flow of customers. I'm pretty much going to explain to you 3 things that you can do today to really bring value to your company and start getting more customers through your door, okay? Often local business owners like yourself are too busy running your business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation that you guys have to hiring somebody is they don't really know who is an expert and who isn't. I found that giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things that you can do to impact your business has resulted in some of those business owners raising their hands and saying, I like you, Amy, please do this for me. So by the end of this video, you like what you heard, and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help you with your business. Shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video, you simply want to take this free attack plan that I'm giving you and do it yourself, that works for me too. The very first thing I want to go over is your website, what we call content. When someone searches for, now I do realize that you are in, what is it, Harker Heights, Texas. So this video is just going to be Austin, but I know that you service Austin. Also keep in mind that if you at the end of this video that, hey, you decide I want her to do a Harker Heights or Colleen video, I can do that too. It all makes up the same thing. So when someone searches for AC Repair Austin, Google crawls websites on the internet, searching and ranking the sites. It's looking for keywords. It's looking for what should this site be found for. So when I go through here, I see you have some nice photos on your site and a beautiful layout. I see a little content, but not a whole lot of content. And one thing I can tell you about Google is Google loves content. So Google likes to see about 2,000 words on your front page. And we're looking at right now with your site is we're probably sitting at about 600 words on this page. So adding 1,400 words of content with keywords that you're trying to target is going to help you get found for those keywords. And we'll talk a little bit more about keywords here in a second, but not only does Google just look at your site, but when Google comes into your site, they can't tell what they should be ranking you for if you don't have any keyword specific things on here. So what does that mean? Well, let's look at a competitor. So when I looked up AC Repair Austin, these guys came up. When we start scrolling through their website, we see content here, pictures, and they have about 1,100 words on here. Very beatable in terms of content. So what does all this mean? Well, this right here is a tool I use called a refs. It allows me to see every keyword you're ranking for, how much traffic you get into your site, and we can see here that you're getting found for 299 keywords, and you had 24 people in the last month to your website. So we jump over here to your competitor. We can see that they're getting found for 605 keywords, right? And they had 943 people in the last month to their website. And we go in and we look at some of these keywords, put them by position. We're going to skip their name. Air conditioning Austin, AC installation Austin, AC contractors Austin Tex. #1 position on all 3 of those. Those 3 keywords alone, that's about 200 clicks a month that Google's getting that you are missing out on. Okay? So once we do the first thing of getting the right content on your site and getting the right keywords on your site, the next thing is to go and find what we call backlinks. Okay? So what are backlinks? Backlinks are pretty much, let's say another HVAC site from Austin, Round Rock, or even Florida. It just needs to be in your kind of field, HVAC, linking back to your site, saying that you're the most popular one here. So the way that Google works, it's like a popularity contest back in high school. The more sites we get linking into your site, the more popular it tells Google you are, and the more they want to rank you for these keywords. So we need to go out, we look at your competitors, we see that they have 167 referring domains linking back to their site. So we have to beat it, and not all backlinks are created equal. So getting a link from Starbucks linking to you is not going to be as powerful as a home improvement or supply or manufacturer company or something like that linking back to you to tell Google that you're relevant, you're in the right niche, and you're popular. That's what we want to go after, okay? So we have about 167 referring domains. Now, we don't want to get the same amount as them. When it comes to links, we want to beat them by either doubling their amount or simply going out and finding quality links with more power to really start beating out the competition, to outrank them, and to take that traffic. So last but not least, I want to talk to you about the third thing we need to go get, and that's what we call citations. And I'm sure that you've heard of the map pack. That's right here. And right below that is what we call organic. So I looked at AC Repair Austin, and you are on page 6 at number 51. Keep in mind that sites on page 1 on Google will take 80% of the traffic. Now, I will say that you are ranking at about number 5 to 10 for Colleen, so that's awesome job there. It's a good start. You want to move up even more because you want to, get more customers, okay? So to get to the top of organic, we've got to get those keywords up. We've got to get all the links coming into your site. And then to get into this map pack right here, we want to go after those citations. Now, I put you in this tool. Well, actually, let me tell you, a directory or a citation is your name, address, and phone number throughout the web on as many directories as possible. And a directory is like Yelp, Yext, City Star, all those directories that are out there. We want to get your business listed on them. It tells Google that you're legit. So I put you in this tool and you had about 51 citations, and your competitor who's beating you had 273. So my recommendation is to go out and get as many as you can. This will take you about 20 minutes per citation. So when you come in the map pack and you click on View All, this is for AC Repair Austin, I looked on the first 10 pages and Lockey Heating and Air was not listed. So goal is, of course, to be in the top 3 position. That's where 20% of the clicks on Google go to. All right, so once again, we went over content. We got to get the content on your site. You've got a great looking site, but we got to get the keyword relevant content. Then once we have that, we need to go after those backlinks, right? We need to get your backlinks up, start driving traffic to where you're getting a lot more people a month to your site. And then once we have that, we want to turn around and we want to go after those citations. So those are the 3 things that I think if implemented today, it's really going to get you found on Google and drive more customers to your business. I've only shown you 1 competitor and 1 keyword search. There are dozens of buyer intent keywords for the HVAC industry that we could capture the traffic of hundreds of clicks per month that you aren't getting. So what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you and do this on your own, and I am totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route, you want to save yourself time, you can give me a call, and here is my info right here. If you guys do utilize these 3 steps I gave you today, you will be ranking on Google, you will be bringing in more customers, and you will be making more money. So don't take this with a grain of salt. Make sure you actually implement what you learned here today, and it's definitely going to help move you forward. If you want to know more about us, you can go to our website. It's loadstarseo.com, or again, you can call me directly at my cell, 979-709-1593. I'm looking forward to following up with you to get your thoughts. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.